Hi, I'm Melody Peralta, a junior here at Southside High School, and we're here with Mr. Monreal, the Director of Maintenance. So tell us a little bit about your department.
What we do in the maintenance department is support our students and provide an environment that is conducive to learning. Part of what we do is we have 5 divisions, and among the 5 divisions, it's the HVAC team. We have the electrical team, we have the plumbing team, and we have also the Carpentry and Grounds.
I'm Steven Milliger, a senior at Southside High School, and today I'm with Mr. Johnny Flores, lead of the electrician department. So tell us, what goes on behind the scenes?
Right now we are working on our LED lighting, which is real good. We love it. And then we change out fuses and breakers throughout the whole district, make sure everything is working for the right way and the way it should.
We're here with Mr. Joe Nino, who is the General Maintenance Lead. And I hear there's a beautification project going on. Can you tell us more about that?
Yes, we've been doing some power washing, a lot of painting, a lot of striping out there on the roads and parking lots. We've been doing all that so when our kids drive up or being dropped off, they see a beautiful school.
I'm with Mr. Francisco Rosas, the lead's groundkeeper, and tell us, what do you do on a day-to-day basis here at Southside?
Well, here at Southside ISD, we maintain the grounds. We clean up our grounds area as far as cutting the grass, trimming the streets, the street side, the curbs. And we also do here road patching. We clean up the asphalt. We patch holes for the safety of our parents as they drive in to drop off their kids. Everything here is mostly for the safety of our kids.
Hey guys, there's this new technology that Southside is utilizing, and Mr. Mark Longoria is going to tell us all about it. He's our HVAC lead.
Yeah, so what do you call on UV lighting that we're installing throughout the district is it does kill bacteria, mold. It does do better air quality in our classrooms and our buildings. We do have maintaining our chillers, our boiler systems. We do filter change outs quarterly.
You're gonna love Mr. Javier Garcia. He is the one who makes sure that all the pipes in the toilets, sinks, and showers are running properly. So, Mr. Javier, please tell us on what goes on in your area.
Well, on a daily basis, we always have work orders, whether it be toilets backed up, faucets that are leaking, replacing gas lines that need to be serviced. Keeps us busy.